In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Siteground email. By the end, you'll have a professional mailbox created for your domain and know exactly where to find everything you need. First, head to your My Siteground dashboard and sign in. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and select the website section. This is where Siteground lists all the sites attached to your account. If you manage more than one, take a second to confirm you're working on the correct domain so your new mailbox ends up in the right place. Find the website you want to use and open Site Tools. Site Tools is SiteGround's control panel for each site, and it's where email, files, and security settings live. When the panel loads, look to the left-hand menu and choose Email. This opens the email management area. From there, click on Accounts. Accounts is the section that actually creates and shows your individual mailboxes. If your plan includes multiple domains or subdomains, you'll see a domain selector near the top. Pick the domain where you want this mailbox to exist. If you only have one domain on the site, it may already be selected. Now you're ready to create the mailbox. Click the option to create a new email account. A simple form will appear. In the account name field, type the part that comes before the @ symbol. Common choices might be info, hello, support, or your first name. Keep it short, easy to share, and avoid special characters or spaces to prevent login issues later. Next, set a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If SiteGround offers a password generator here, it's a great idea to use it and store the password in a secure password manager. Depending on your plan, you might also see a mailbox quota or storage option. If you're unsure, the default is typically fine and can be adjusted later as your needs grow. When everything looks good, click Create. Give it a moment while SiteGround provisions the mailbox. You should see a confirmation and your new email account listed under Accounts. From this list, you can manage the mailbox later. Reset the password, adjust storage, or remove it if needed. That's it. Your domain-based email address is ready. From here, you can return to this area anytime to create more mailboxes for teammates or different purposes. You'll also find options nearby to access webmail or view settings you can use to connect the account in your preferred email apps. Keep your credentials secure and you'll be up and running with a professional inbox in no time.